What's going on, YouTube? We back again, man. It's your boy Trackhawk 1 checking in, man. We finna stop by the barbershop in the cut. And I ain't gonna lie, I just noticed this. Y'all see that? That little hawk? That's hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm just leaving it right there so I can look at that. It's gonna be cuss. Let's see. Oh man, the cat out here, man. It's raining. The real one. Yeah. What's up, bro? Huh? Huh? Oh. Yeah, I was chilling today. I'm saying, I'm trying to figure out how I'm making it across. And we leaving the barbershop, man. Okay. Ingenuity. Hold on. Oh. 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 Well, we both got those flies too, tripping. God, no. Oh. Oh. I don't even know where we going. Finna stop at QT. Cause why not? Gotta get something to drink. I'm finna figure out where we're going. Hey QT, man, y'all should sponsor me. I ain't gonna lie. I think I done came here on like 3 videos by this point. What's up, man? Just throw me a gas card. Y'all throw me a gas card, I will come to QT in every video. I don't care how far out the way it is. For real. Yo, where we finna go?
Say what?
Where we finna go?
Shit, finna go see about this oil change. I usually change my own oil, but it's raining. I ain't trying to get on the ground, get wet in the spring. You know what I'm saying? They find out let it
Word. Hold on. I ain't do what I normally do. Hold on. The real one. Okay, anyway, we back.
That's the real one. You know, 2 on there.
But,
Ain't copping that listening.
Where it's at though?
On the street.
Up the street on 81?
Yeah, it's right beside Zips. Forward.
Oh, all the way up. Alright, bet. So yeah, man, we finna go to the oil change spot. It's right by my homie crib, so I really might pull up on him again. Oh. Yeah, there goes Zips, of course. Car wash. What else would there be? This car definitely loud. This car definitely louder than mine for sure. Gotta get them exhaust tips, man. Can't stop thinking about that. I need that. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna have to make something shake with that. Okay.
So you came out here early.
Yeah. Finna get oil change. Shell.
Ain't gotta be low. I'll show you.
I'll show you.
It's a couple miles off, bro. Behind him, we got in.
Get oil change, man. Shell Rapid Lube. What was it? You don't got no military discount? Yeah, I need them couple dollars. No cap. Oh man. Yeah, I feel like I ain't showed y'all the track in a minute, man. I can't wait, bro. I got the emblems, they on the way. I need them. Okay. Big track, man. Trackiana. Cap. Still got the thank you mats, man. I'm right here in the way. I'll say, don't hit the track now. You have big bills.
It's a mile.
Ain't no way, man. Put 2 cells through the pop.
Oh, yeah. He's like 22,
Get it back running. Get that showroom detail tomorrow.
Gotta get that on camera. I might go ahead and get mine. It's just I gotta get on the highway though, so it's like.
When you leave Sunday?
Yeah.
Maybe watching it won't be so good. Was like so shit don't even be sticking. Like only thing that really get dirty on definitely my car is like marina.
You gotta think though, that's 8.5 hours. But you know how many bugs I'm finna hit? I wish I had a Camaro with me. We might well.
Hopefully the weather will stay like that.
Yeah, that's why I said we can go check something out. Okay.
That's a different county.
Yeah. Man, today makes officially 1 week with the track, man. 1 week. Man, no complaints. I just like having like a rare car. So many people, their first response is like, boy, I ain't never seen one of these. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like. You know, we always working, you know what I'm saying? We got everything we need with us, man. We always working, making videos, editing, all that. Lake Kiwi? Yeah. Like, down there in Seneca. Basically Seneca, yeah. Yeah, man. Headlights. Them things so pretty. And I love this right here, the little road. But yeah, man. 1 weekend, no complaints at all. Pop the hood for y'all. No complaints. Man, this thing rides smooth. It sound mean. It's aggressive. I ain't gonna lie. At first, I ain't even like the hood like that in the pictures for real. That was like one of the first things I had wanted to change. But in person, it's really hard. I really like it. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm probably keep it for a little bit. Probably will get like a demon hood or something like that. I really want the one with the see-through right there. Cause I feel like you need to be able to see that. Like, you need to be able to see that. Yeah, man, supercharged Hemi, 6.2 liter V8, man. Can't wait to get this bad boy changed. And she gonna sound crazy. And I need a green belt too, I ain't gonna lie to you. I need all that, you feel me? Probably a catch can. Might even go E85 at some point, but that's gonna be way down the line. Cause like I say, this not even my everyday car, man. You know what I'm saying? This ain't meant to be an everyday car unless you really got it like that. And we ain't there yet, man. So, you know. But yeah, man. This thing is just, this thing, I don't got no complaints, man. None at all. 1 weekend, I mean, it's great. It's everything I imagined it would be. You see, check on my fluids. Yeah, still good, cooling good. Water fluid good, battery fluid, all that good. Cool. Yeah, man, we good. Oh yeah. I like that too, man. Big SRT. Big SRT. You feel me? Big Hawk, man. I ain't gonna lie, they definitely should have put the Hawk here instead of the Cat though. That's the one thing I would change. They need the SRT with the Hawk right there instead of the Cat. But don't worry, cause like I say, big Hawk coming soon. And even bigger Hawk coming soon, you feel me? So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Dang, my rim's dirty already. Brembos, I ain't gonna lie, when these things clean, whew, man. But I ain't wanna start thinking about them, cause then I'm gonna start thinking about how much it costs to replace them, and then yeah. So we ain't finna think about that right now. But anyway, yeah, man, this thing hot. But yeah, man, 1 weekend, no complaints, man. So yeah, we're gonna go back in here, see how the oil change coming, and we'll be back.
lot. How much do them things cost? I don't even know a whole lot about them.
So it really depends on the year, model, what I pay, 110. And my other one I pay 58.
Listen, bro, that's nice to have two of them.
Which one you like more, this one or the white one?
Which one I like more?
Yeah. The white one was hard. I ain't
That's
gonna
what
lie.
I'm saying,
The
like
white
as
one
far
was
as
hard.
like performance and like just going crazy, I was going more crazy in like the white one.
Yeah.
This one I ain't it's been costing me. The white one we were ready to go.
You like that Jeep?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Gas.
Yeah.
But you do love that.
Yeah,
I think how long you done had it? I swear I seen it come out like twice, a couple times.
Probably see me. I'll be ripping and running out here. But yeah, we be yeah. But yeah, I only had it a week.
I love with that thing. Man, I bet.
It
The
get up.
supercharged too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Well, I bet that's nice. I know that's nice. Oh. Yeah. Laying it down, yeah.
Oh,
Man,
yeah.
that's nice. Alright, I got 7 quarts coming down. How much faster is yours than old buddies that was in there earlier?
Oh, this
is it like that?
Yeah,
Like that.
Yeah, that supercharged does make a big difference.
It's for real. See, like I said, I don't know a whole lot about these, but is it really? It's like big difference.
I got 300 more horsepower than that.
Like that.
It's almost really just double this motor.
So ain't no chance. Ain't no chance. What about this and that? The Trackhawk out there.
Nah, that's when we talking now. Yeah, we talking out. He ain't go.
I still
No,
get
see,
him.
here you go. No, he ain't, bro.
Think about
No,
niggas
he not, bro.
So it's like
I got all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive?
Off the line, I'm getting him.
You what? In the 8?
Yeah, it depend on how far we going.
I've been
That's
there
all.
walking now.
Yeah. That's it.
Why you gotta, no, don't walk me down. Be right there already.
Got it like that, so y'all might as
I
well.
don't got it like that. You got it like that. Hey, not yet. We trying to get there though. That's why I got this camera right now. Yeah. We trying to get there, man. We going there though. No cap. Yeah, successful oil change. Finna make some more moves. Make some calls. Yeah, man. Good day. Have a good day. Successful oil change. New tires, oil change in 1 day. We good now. Yeah.
What you feel?
Yes, sir. So,
You
yes,
can
sir.
roll on one.
Alright.
Well, we good. We'll be back, man. Peace. Nah, I get some bow change. Hey, it's bow time. I had to cut the camera on one time early, man, just because we passing the jockey lot. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's say Anderson Jockey Lot. A lot of memories out there growing up, man. We're on the way to the mall. Finna get some clothes. Hopefully I can find something. Then tomorrow we're gonna come and have a major video to you. Major video. And we're gonna be on the way to Atlanta, man. Yeah. Cat back there. And so like I say every video, man, y'all continue to put in the comments what y'all want me to talk about, what y'all want me to do to the track. There's a lot of things coming. I don't even want to tell y'all, man. I just want y'all to keep seeing every time y'all see a new video pop up, it's something new, you feel me? So I don't even want to tell y'all. I really want y'all just to see. So some of the stuff y'all put in the comments might already be on the way. It might already be here. You don't even know it. You feel me? But y'all let me know what y'all want to see, man. We gonna make it happen as always. Finally made it to the Ville. Ooh, Maybach. Hold on. Finally made it to the Ville, man. Go ahead, check out what they got. Let me get beside this Maybach real quick. I feel like how people be doing my car. That thing hard though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't really like business, but it's hard. I wouldn't take it over the track. It's hard though. So we back, man. Reached our destination. You finna park right here? I'll park right here, I don't care. See, man, you gotta park away from everybody, cause come out, people done hit the side of your car, all kind of stuff. Yeah, man, finally here. Gonna go in the mall and got parked. Oh, we'll be back.